I think that you've done a good job on the discussion. Now I'm baby I'm metido bisa me premeditation. Because you know me wa down for Dr. John Sopoku are kasa sesia. Ultimate star will be multiple times. Premeditation, you know. You had the intent. But could be there because an accident. Now share emergency response systems and so on. An important conversation I say I have it. On my BBC, a police officer say general bystanders as inform. You know, ube come ambulance for no career how much nibi. We need to look at all that going forward. And now the papa, your hair ball abruchenia then as still was a nipa. Born go basadanya nipa na wash just to provide the right ambience for them. Magana do be near security agencies no. Omo bon komo botsiri any idea. It's not good for us. And I think that for me as a fan of Kumaza Sante Kotokono, me menu boycott to leg and for be any some ball leg because the safety of their footballers and their fans cannot be guaranteed. Na used to say debia me cite example say kwabi US and UK near casa systems no. Maybe say no magina so they are BB. They use this as an example to set examples for people. Send you be me you. See a general incident in New no the set example. Now say Kotokoni is a breakum club see back will be any ball stadium then you see. You see, will be any ball stadium. May night and papa can nyamenkwa.
And no crown and me basui from May night in Sian into a chess
match in a category A match. Now she police officer near me kosi. What so much laser fair as inform. Nana same maka Ghana ha when accident kura na say police officer be bua no odwi nyina ne so den no benya wom. We need to look at it. Emergency response system must be proper because obi any baby ebeto no. Kwajo maybe emergency maybe answer any fire service kasa Kumasi nyina Ashanti nya yo 15 fire tenders. Emergency response in the able match in say jato na Komansa Parker. Kumasi nyina ya fire tender A15. One fire tender to 360,000 people. Yempeni for na dwi ni ho. In fact, what I'm told is Nana Asante Achim South, Asante Achim North, Asante Achim Central. The only fire tender when I konongo I break it down. It's the entire Asante Achim enclave no kwado fire tender papa bi ni ho. Adane ye ho sa. This is emergency response system. Emergency response system. Police ni unya bibina police ni ba aso obeye wadom. At least Nana take charge of the crime scene. Utie audio ya sports wa bome yeti akojo. Onso na ambulance driver no na ambulance ne wen. Obek mesena na ebe ko emvest no mu hebo ni bi. Enya me wanwa say be sisa. You see, we need to stop these things. Boy ni wo na wawu no enya say ekosa akwa. We need to use it as an example to set some example. Nana Bunu region, let's tell truth to people. They are gaining notoriety for some of these things. In fact, then a reporter be spotty meeting na Hussein Adam heard ma also from Division 2 say who san o media diaba. You see, we need to set examples of people.
Referee near both supporters near Tia Piano ye chase referees na sa.
And no crazy and I say kwasi apia omo haraze no. Nobody is blaming enough. We blame me say police officer nipa na or that one a crime scene. So you cordon off the place and then crofo be man me police crime scene. And answer emergency man for who after accident. How we handle them. Once the police they are trained to have to even carry the person into cordon off area now say a crime scene. No actually a professional. All the basic training. No be about them to go fee be crown the be canania that can worsen the situation. Areho. La will be a nana 5 months a sad situation. Right. A sad situation. And just a Ghana football share na the way kotra. Whoever is culpable, say MP knows, a club knows, and they will division 20 kura yam banishawum. Yam banishawum. Na set examples.
I'm not sure CSM BBA. And I'm saying so the main life ne why DBA Kenya HSA EBCA because our issue I'm not sure say a BSCS even Kotokofo Mpono. Nanse Kromuni Nation FC4 Ekobobo Ewa Heya last year.
Players Nangala Park and so blows are now Koso Park.
How?
What do you want to say? As a BBA Bassa at Nana Malay Gombo Nantes Kenim. leg no bo sika na so
sika ni so ye ku free
leg no mo bo ni mu no sika bi na so what you say sika bi na leg na mo bo no so ento mo bo se na play bi ni dia beton dia be yi na mo kwotwe sika wo ho a obi hwe I'm cousin and I say good things about the
way crowd mo ye Pooley no crowd no bewu
na show tell police no
no kwan so da ho sa because moja no crowd nyinti na so mo ten ne
kakra na he video ahwe nye police officer dey gina wono at least take charge of the crime scene me dey ano no yen kan so na nipa no bewu obi den no but at least try and do your possible best. Banana media statement am kind for me so atreman any course am aye no na there's premeditation. Means tabu be multiple times and so the war back na to se kan crash na the menstrual emiazo okukuzi kuko on the bro for no
adwempo e wo
wutiri mu no the war back na to se kan crash na there's an intense I say oyama hye wanya I am shishie bi but to stab somebody multiple that is premeditation. That is premeditated. And the police Nana must establish because in Swaziland there was an altercation to Kwabi see and I decided and by Henamon and Tokwani see they must produce the suspect. Right. And Anna, my advice said the first port of call should be the club owners. Omunim sanko fi omo na kwache show me chance na a politicians. Boy it's a decent full social media ya to trust omunimum. Kwache show me chia no makoye sa ade no. They need to arrest the gentleman. They are arresting you prosecuting by the laws of our country. E be serve deterrent to other. O ko stadium akwache se kan de. Na another element of the premeditation. Se kan na ekura no the call park no so no kofa se kan na we. Me best studio Nhyira fe na me kura second na bibia koye ja nto it's premeditation studio the second di djuma wa ya be no aduane wa ha
and then say Nhyira 104.5 kaka ku yanko kakra na fe